Okay, getting things set up here, guys. Just about ready to go. Okay, we should be recording. Oh, hang on. Yeah, is that 1080p? Hang on, I gotta check this out. See if we're recording in 10. Whoop. Oh, got too many things running. This may not work. Oh, we'll have to do what we have to do here. Okay, we're gonna try this again. We'll start the engines.
Take off.
And we're up and running. Taking off, stepping back from the bird a little bit. I am down here at, what park am I at here? Just below the high-level bridge. Anyway, we'll...
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Get a little bit of a view there. There you can see the length of the high-level bridge. As I pan around, look at it. We can maybe even scroll the gimbal up a little bit. That's the zoom. There's the other side. There's gimbal up. As we go pan around, see the sun over there. That's the start of the bridge on the south side, and then of course we pan around, and that's the north side on the other side of the bridge there. And yeah, you can see the river frozen over. Pretty good. Anyway, we'll see if we can fly it forward a little bit here. So far, it doesn't look too washed out. I had a problem with it before, and I found I left my mode sitting on manual, and a little bit too bright. So anyway, gimbal up a little, I guess, to 0, and you can see the legislature on the other side of the ground or river there. I'm going to go up just a little bit more, and there's some power wires just below. I don't know if you can see those. I don't want to run into them. I hear they're trouble, but... And I also have a chopper flying up there. Well, let's see if you can see the chopper. Why can't I see that chopper? It should be right there. Maybe I'm just blind. Nevertheless, we won't go too far higher. We'll get run over by a chopper. Okay. Let's see if we go forward a little bit and see what we can see here. Okay, so we're over the river now, so if we look down, we should be pretty close. Here's the edge. Hey, I can see me in there too. That's pretty cool. Yeah, the legislature grounds on the other side there. But I don't want to fly all the way over there. I just wanted to test out the mode here and see if this was going okay. So there's the one bridge, and there's the what do we call it? Well, it's not the low level anymore. Rossdale Bridge, if you want to call it that. Nice little zoom feature. You can tilt it up a little bit more. Level. Yeah. So that's zoomed in. That's pretty cool. Zoom it back out. Yeah. All right. Well, that's interesting stuff. If we zoom in on the legislature building, I think I need to raise it a little bit. Try that. See if that works a little better. That's pretty cool. I like it. I like it. All right. Well, unzoom that. Have another quick look around here. Yeah, I'm down there somewhere. Where am I? In the parking lot. Yeah, we can zoom. Yeah, you can see me. Okay, we'll fly it back this way, and that bird sure moves a lot faster than the Mini does. Oh, I like it. I like it. Okay, well, I didn't want to make a novel out of this, or a 3-hour video, so we'll bring it back to level and pan around one more time and we'll land this guy. Oop, a little high there. Yeah, that's the south side of the river. There's that bridge, Rossdale power plant behind it. The old power plant. And of course back to downtown. So I'm going to hit the home button and hopefully it'll come back. Oh, camera cut out for some reason. There, kick back in. I don't know why it cut out for a position. Okay. But we'll return it to home. Maybe.
Go home.
Okay. And it seems to be coming back.
Landing.
As it spins around looking for a place to land. Coming in right on top of me, I think. Beautiful. I like it. Okay, so landed successfully, and I think that'll be it for today's flight. We'll go play with this a little bit more and see if the video turned out all right. Thanks everyone for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.